This high-performance, quiet mini PC is equipped with the latest AMD Ryzen AI9 HX470 processor, delivering 55 TOPS of NPU computing power. It features expandable Juda 5 memory and comes standard with a 10 gigabit network card. It enables OpenClaw to directly access and utilize all the software on your computer to work for you. First, download the prerequisite software, Git and Node.js, from their official websites. Run PowerShell as an administrator. If you encounter an execution policy error, common when running scripts for the first time, verify if Git and Node.js are installed successfully. Copy the installation command from the OpenClaw website and paste it into the terminal for automatic installation. Log into your Cloud AI account. You can choose Skip for now. After completing the configuration, you can start a conversation with OpenClaw. With it, if you receive urgent work after hours, just send a message to OpenClaw from your phone. With a single command, it can access your work computer to classify files, organize data, and even edit videos, completing the tedious groundwork that used to take half an hour. Facing AI image generation needs? A single command can batch convert and generate images in your desired style. It can also act as your programming assistant, writing code, finding bugs, or building websites with simple instructions. You can also leave daily office tasks like writing reports, organizing spreadsheets, and repetitive information gathering to this tireless assistant.